Assets Reporting. As part of the Assets module, you are provided with an out-of-the-box Assets Report dashboard. This allows users to quickly derive information on asset health, value, and renewals. To access your Assets Reporting dashboard, go to Assets in the Explorer sidebar and then navigate to Assets Reporting. The Assets Reporting dashboard will now open on your screen. Here you can observe 4 sections. The first section provides a count of all assets in the system, the sum of their value, and the average value of an asset. The second section shows the count of assets based on their condition status. The third section provides a bar graph by value of all IT assets, vehicles, and other assets. This helps to get a comprehensive view of the asset's value by type. The fourth and last section allows managers to view a month-wise count of assets due for registration renewal, covering both past and upcoming months. Hover your mouse pointer over a bar to let the system display the value depicted on X and Y axis.